Franchise was granted on January 28th, 1960. They've won 5 Super Bowls.
Okay, what was that about? Hey.
You know, he's the dude that got promoted into Serge Hasco's job after the scandals about him.
I'm actually going to wait before I turn right on red because I want to point something out.
Manual recording will now start.
Oh! They actually fixed it now. Because there was a brief period where it used to be all flashing yellows, and I wanted to ask NC Dot what the actual fuck was wrong with green arrows at a T intersection.
No much else. This is a subpar game with tremendously overreaching monetization. You don't need a deep dive.
Hey, spot the car with no lights.
Days are behind them when it comes to making original video games, and they have admitted themselves that they don't care about that shit. And
Manual
that
recording
shit
will now
is
start.
good video games.
What a great place for a U-turn.
Turned around to a bunch of barely trained
Although I admire your effort in not using the reverse gear.
Far Cry games on the table and said, "Right, kids, we need you to quickly bang together a Far Cry game, just like the grown-ups around here used to do before they went to work on mobile apps or left the company. By the way, this game's going to be rated M for mature. So those
What the
of you who
fuck are you
16
doing?
years old, you're just going to have to hang out in the cafes
Oh my
and
fucking god, you're lost!
watch out for those community
And
fighters.
stupid.
Play shooter, and your bullets don't hit the fucking targets. That is a special kind of incompetence.
Okay, what the hell?
Battlefield 20.
That these days I might not use something like this. I'd rather use Crook or something like that just for the safety aspect.
Hit him, hit him, hit him, hit him! Damn! Hey officer, where are your lights? What are we doing?
Manual recording will now start.
That was a bit of a delayed reaction.
4G is a bit of a fucking reach. Like I said, I would love this to be true, but all we really know is that a couple of
up, though. There are these chem-abusing, mindless drones hovering between establishments. There's an east and west side which compete against each other in both gang outfits.
So that means 95% of you are freaking out right now. I live in Florida. I'm going to be hit by a hurricane, and I couldn't give less of a shit.
Even they know Memphis is not something to be proud of. Tennessee, again, very down-to-earth, good people in this state. Throughout the state, it's really strange. I mean, except for Memphis.
To JC, he looked after her until the next morning, all the while making her feel safe and comfortable and talking to her throughout.
Chilling at a bar a lot less immersive or special. Casinos weren't far behind, of course, but those were at least spaced out a bit more. It almost feels like places like motor
use of weapons. Yay! They all have interchangeable attachments, so if you lock something in the tree, you can use that attachment in the instant. I will pay you $100 to fuck off. Now there's the more harmful glitches like the David Blaine glitch. What that?
Did the wind do that? Yeah, nice fucking stop. Alright, what the hell are you doing?
But the equivalent of the low recoil weapons would be just slapping a muzzle brake or compensator on your gun instead of a silencer. And yeah, how much more bullet spongy the enemies are, right? Now granted, there's actually two solutions to this problem, which we'll get into later. But that's the backbone for all of these RPG mechanics. If you play this game and the enemies feel like bullet sponges,
Did you just run that?
Use the back computer and print out sketches of the criminals and give it to the police, or like hunt them down in the bad criminal.
What the fuck you?